Okay, so now that you're done with the introduction to financial market, let's talk about this phase or the transformation in this course. Now, this course has four phases: the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis or the cocoon, and lastly is the butterfly. Now, every trader wants result, right? But there are very few people who understands the process or the transformation that it takes to get there. Diba? There are only few people who understands na in order for you to become who you want to be, you have to sacrifice who you are right now. And just like this butterfly, just like this metamorphosis na nakikita nyo rito sa screen, every trader must go through these phases. Kasi nga, you have to transform yourself. You have to understand that there's a process na sinusundan, that there's a process that you have to go through in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader. Diba? Now, trading isn't just about simply about charts, indicators, or strategies. Diba? Kasi minsan makita lang tayo na strategy. We're gonna do strategy hopping, right? And I cannot blame you for it. Diba? I had to go through those things as well. Kasi nga, once na makita tayo ng strategy, especially sa Facebook, sa Instagram, makita lang tayo ng ganyan, makita natin nag-work, then most likely, we'll go through or we'll study that strategy and then we'll use it sa market. But that's not solely how trading works. Trading isn't just about charts, indicators, or strategies. It's also about transforming yourself into someone that can be or that would be a consistently profitable trader. And in order for you to become those things, you have to fix your habits. You have to show up every single day. Diba? Kasi nga, this is a process that you have to go through. And in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader, then you have to undergo through a metamorphosis. And of course, you will start, or if you are watching this video, then probably you are here at the start, which is the egg phase. Now, egg phase is mostly all about awareness. Kasi without awareness, without knowing what you are diving into, you won't have the idea kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa market, di ba? Kasi for you to understand trading as a whole, on why you trade, how you trade, and why do you need to trade, well, the first thing that would probably comes to your mind if why do you need to trade is because solely of money, right? I mean, we all want to be someone that has a lot of money, right? We want to be rich. But we'll get there, diba? And we'll get there through process, through transformation. And egg phase is mostly on awareness phase. Kasi nga, you have to be aware kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa market. Kung ano nga ba yung inaaral mo for you to understand deeper. For you to understand that you're not just using strategies, you're not just watching charts. You have to understand deeper yung financial market as a whole, di ba? And in this phase, you will learn about your expectations versus the market reality. That there are two different scenarios here, the probability and certainty. And that the losses are part of the game. So you have to accept it. The nature of the markets, on how this or what does the market does or do, or why is it like this, diba? And then your daily habits and emotional patterns on how do you need or what does or what do you do, kung bakit, kung anong ginagawa nyo, kung bakit you are continuously going back to the person that you are, diba? And will take those cognitive biases and turn it into identity shifting. And it will question, or we're gonna answer the question that, am I psychologically ready to engage in uncertainty? Because if you're not, and you are still thinking about the certainty sa market, that you think na 100% as you are right all the time, then probably you are not psychologically ready to engage in uncertainty. Kasi sa market, there is no certainty. We are only basing on probability. So that's it for this introduction. See you guys in the next video.